welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's a ceramic detail spray from DIY Detail, Envy. You're going to be the envy of wherever you're at with this stuff on your car. I guarantee it. So this product doubles in two different uses, one of which is a drying aid, and I always recommend a drying aid. You've washed a car, you've rinsed it down, you spray some of this on the panel, it lubricates it, it makes it so when you rub the drying towel along it, you don't have to worry about all the scratching and stuff that comes with a dry towel on nice paint. It also will leave behind a nice hydrophobic coating, make it slick to the touch and add a little shine too. That's nice. The second use is as a detail spray. I'll talk more about that in a little while. It's got a nice fresh scent. It's not like blow you away, but I mean, it smells good. You're gonna enjoy the smell. It's not anything negative, and I would say that it's not blow you away like fruitful or anything. It's a nice clean scent, which I enjoy those also. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna wash the Model Y. I'll rinse it down. It'll be nice and wet. Then we'll go ahead and use the Envy as a drying aid. Let's do it. And I've been trying out this Brug's short gun, which I really like. My favorite part about it is just that one and done with the nozzle. You don't have to do this double hander and try to work it on. You just press it on, boom, it's engaged. Feels good in the hand. Live swivel is really nice. And another neat thing I like about the gun, it's a one-handed release too. You'll drop it, but you get the idea. All right, so I had a little bit of DIY Detail Incredible Suds left over from yesterday doing this car. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it on and give it a quick wash. You can see I hardly used any. Some reason the AR630 and with this combination, it's just not using a lot of soap. That's the whole car. It might have used like an inch. I just want a long dwell time, so I'm gonna leave it on there nice and thick. Here it is again. All right, so with the Tesla, I'm just gonna do a quick wash, and I always start with the glass because you really just can't mess up the glass on a Tesla, and that's about 80% of the car here, which is nice. You don't have to worry about scratching it. You can just do all the glass in one pop, which really makes it nice. You can pretty much have half the car done in about 2 minutes, which I like too. By the way, this soap feels really slick. It smells good. If you haven't seen it yet, it just gives you that dwell time. Everybody always asks, why do you want thick foam? I want thick foam so that I can take my time, make my way around and wash the car. And there's still plenty left on there. It's not burning and drying in the sun. We'll start with the top bit on the paint here. The least dirty part of the car first. Just a couple dunks in there, why not? Then we'll make our way down about another third, saving that bottom for last. About the halfway point. If the car's not that dirty, I flip the mitt. One more quick dunk. So head around. And in hot climates, when I've done a good bit of the car like this, I like to rinse some of it off just so I don't have to worry about the soap drying on the paint. I'm not going for perfection. I'm just kind of doing like a quick rinse here. We'll hit the hood and the trunk. Try to do nice straight lines. I'm gonna do the other side real quick. I won't bore you with it. All right, we got that done. Let's do a quick rinse. Now with the Hawaii sun, man, my glass on the top is really flat, and I got a good product to show you coming up soon too. But today we're just gonna do this drying aid ceramic detailer. But soon I got another product coming for the glass. I think it's worth taking a look at. That has 0 beading. On the side it does. So you can just kind of take a look at it here. It's beading good. There's a ceramic coating on it. But I want to see what this drying aid brings to the table. All right, so let's give this a try as a drying aid. I'm going to be using the NV ceramic detail spray from DIY Detail and the plush drying towel from Armor Detail. Armor Detail's got some good stuff too. Just a couple of shots. I know Ivan's going to say that's too much, but and yeah, you can see it just aids in drying it really easy. Can feel nice and slick on the paint. That's what we want. You know, too much product could just equal like not better results. That's the problem with too much product. There's a amount of product that like does the optimum amount of results, and then you're just piling it on after that. All right, so you can see how easy that was. That took no effort. I gotta say, it makes drying a breeze, and it leaves a really nice slick feeling on the paint, which I like. So it came clean, it looks shiny, good amount of gloss, easy to dry, slick to the touch. Let's check the hydrophobics real quick. Real nice beading, and then the bottom part of the panel sheeting almost dry. Look at that. That's nice. See what happens when you pop a little bit on a wet panel. You can see it, water is just falling off the paint as soon as I spray it on. Let's see how easy we can get this dry. I know drying kind of sucks for a lot of people, and man, that feels slick. The second pass feels even better than the first. So that worked really well. I really enjoyed using it on the Model Y, but the true test will be on the Cybertruck, the stainless steel with no paint. It is ceramic coated. I got it all washed up. Let's give it a try. All right, now for the Cybertruck, a little NV ceramic detail spray. This truck is a real pleasure to wash, man. I'm telling you. A couple of squirts on here, the water just falls off. Then that stainless steel, man, it's so easy to take care of. And wow, that feels slick too. Oh man. Just lightly buff it to a shine here. This truck was crazy dirty, and just not having any paint at all is great. It's so humid out right now. But yeah, that's really slick. That's nice. So the NV worked really nice on the Cybertruck also. I gotta say, not having any paint on that truck is just absolutely amazing. I love washing that thing. I let it go for a while because it's been really bad weather here, and it's just that every time you drive it in bad weather in Hawaii, you got mud and dirt kicking up. Every road is full of red dirt. If you've ever driven around here, you know that it's pretty hard to keep the car clean. And I'll tell you what, the ceramic coating that I put on it, if you haven't seen that video, check that out. I did a full-blown everything on on a Cybertruck, and that's coating's holding up insane. Everything about it I'm digging, and the Envy went on easy, and I didn't see any streaking on that stainless, and that stainless can be kind of streaky if you have a bad product, so that speaks a lot for this also. So Envy worked really well as a drying aid, but I want to talk about another use case that I like using it, and that's as a detail spray. Now, when would I use a detail spray? If I washed a car and it's been sitting in the garage now for a week, and I just want to go ahead and do a little bit of rubbing on it and try to shine it up a little bit, we never want to rub a microfiber towel dry on the paint. So this product is going to add some lubrication to the towel. It's going to leave behind that nice slick finish, and it's going to make, you know, shining up the car safe to do. So the best way to do that, a really high quality plush microfiber towel, a shot or two onto the towel, then we'll wipe it onto the panel nice and gently. We're not trying to scrub it. We're not trying to clean it. Back and forth a couple times, flip the towel, and then buff it to a shine. And I like to look down at an angle and make sure I'm not leaving any streaks, and I get all the product wiped clean. And I'll tell you what, you can feel underneath the towel, it's nice and slick. The car is super shiny, and it's going to provide that protection you need so that you can do that wipe in between washes. Now keep in mind, if the car is dirty, we want to use a cleaning product, a rinseless wash, or a traditional wash. Don't use this as a cleaner. Now you can pick this up for 20 bucks for 16 ounces, and I believe it's like $89 for a gallon. Both are a pretty good deal, but you know I'm going to bring you a discount code down in the description in case you want to check this out and try it. Hopefully it'll take away the shipping or knock that price a little bit down for you. I'm looking out for you there. So all in all, the Envy from DIY Detail, oh man, that's some good stuff. I'll be using the rest of this bottle up in no time, and I'd like to get some more out here too. I really enjoyed using it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.